My brother export in the spices.
Okay.
Many different in the 100 different quality in the spices. Jodhpur in the Rajasthan, very famous in the chicken tikka masala.
Chicken tikka masala.
Chicken tikka masala. Rajasthan very famous in the masala chai.
Right.
You know the masala
Yes,
chai?
yeah.
This my brother export in the all kind of country in the spices.
Wow.
England, Switzerland, New Zealand, Europe, America, and the Australia, America. This my brother export in the spices.
Very good. Good
This my
business.
brother shop in the MG spices. Recommended Lonnie plan here.
Over there?
Just look, give you my business card.
Oh, he turned out to be a tout for his brother. I forgot the name of what this was called, but I guess this is used to make some kind of a spice. There's a fruit and vegetable market of Jodhpur near the clock tower. Here's his brother's shop, MG Spices.
World famous.
Check out these spices right here. Hassle-free shopping. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Enter this.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Yeah.
We'll come. We'll be around tomorrow. I mean,
Yeah. I'm tired today. Yes, saffron. Wow.
you guys
Nice.
want your saffron?
You're advertising TripAdvisor.
Let me see the saffron.
Australia. But yeah, I guess they're doing good business. Exporting the stuff all over the world. Have some rice, some lentils, pasta looks like. More pasta.
Yeah. Just having in the hair salon.
Yeah.
This clock tower. This here is the.
No, I took something. Because we just got here. We just woke up like an hour ago from a long trip. We're gonna be here tomorrow. We're gonna go to the clock tower. We'll be back here tomorrow.
Yeah, today we want to rest. We are tired. So.
Yeah, but thank you.
But thank you very much. Yeah, we'll come here.
We're here to make some videos.
Yes. We'll come
Okay,
back here
Promise?
tomorrow.
Huh?
Promise.
Yes.
Yes, we promise.
This is my shop in the vegetable.
I
This my
remember.
shop.
Yeah.
I'll
This my
remember.
brother's shop in the Fabrica.
How many brothers do you have?
2 brothers. This my shop. My brother shop in the Fabrica, Armani in the textile.
Okay.
Alibaba Indigo trouser.
Okay.
You know the India very famous silk embroidery in the sari.
Okay.
This cotton in the fabric. This shop here.
Okay.
Give me my brother business card.
No, we'll be back
Come tomorrow.
Bye.
Tomorrow we'll be
All
back.
right. Thank you. He just abandoned his shop just to show us around. Oh, we got puppies on the road. You gotta be careful with all the traffic coming in and out.
Puppies. I'm sure they got hate to see a man. Oh, there's
Yeah.
a fourth one over there.
Yeah, it's kind of dangerous spot for puppies to hang out. But yeah. Careful.
More vegetables.
But this is where all the local people from Jodhpur come to do their vegetable shopping, I guess, and buy all their masalas and everything else they use to cook. So a lot of spice shops. A lot of people are selling spices, and that seems to be one of the primary businesses out here. People selling all kinds of stuff. So we're in the vegetable market now. I think the way to get out is, I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm not sure where we are. We gotta go back and find our hotel. More vegetables. I think it's that way. The exit.
Let me go down here.
Okay. Isha Silk. There's a leather shop bag.
Yeah, my mom's looking for leather.
Right. You did mention that.
You have leather purse? Yes, sir. Can I see a leather purse?
Leather shoes for men and women. Leather purses right here.
No.
Leather bracelets.
No, for my
What was-
mom. She wants a purse. No, bigger. Bigger. Like. Smaller.
Oh,
than
they got
this.
cameras. Old school camera.
Smaller, same thickness. Smaller.
Same thickness.
The 1,000 rupee note. The infamous 1,000 rupee note. Doesn't exist anymore. It's not worth anything. But maybe in a while, it'll be worth something in the museums. Yeah, a lot of leather goods in this shop.
Here, you need a diary?
That's some
That's an
currency.
actual nice one, actually.
Oh wow. Yeah, I've been wanting, but I want a smaller one though.
He's got them right here.
Oh yeah.
I might actually buy one. How much are these? 250.
This is
250. That's too much.
This is 150.
Oh yeah, let me see that. This is, I like
Oh,
the smaller one.
these are nice.
Yeah.
Handmade papers. All handmade.
Oh wow. Can you do 100?
Good price.
Come on, man. Let's do. Help
No
me.
high price,
help me
after
out.
down price. No.
Help me
This
out.
is- Good price is good.
Do you have
price.
anything for 100? Any smaller for 100?
100.
This is the smallest one.
This one is small.
This is the same price.
Oh, yes.
It's a bit fancier. Same kind of paper.
That's the one you had in your hand.
Yeah, that one. Cool. What do you think? Should I get it?
Look at that one.
Oh, that it's got a lock on it.
Gonna polish it up. How much? 150. What about if you get two?
Can we get a discount for two?
Good price. Limit.
If you buy two. How much if you buy
Well,
two?
there's
of
another
these?
shop right here we can look
Yeah,
at.
yeah.
But I mean, I'm looking for like a bag for my mom. So
We also have some hippie outfits for you to transform yourself when you come to India. You see a lot of foreigners do this. They come and buy these
well, if
tie-dyed outfits
200 right now before
and
I walk
become
off.
hippies.
200, come on.
All right, we'll check the other one.
Oh, look.
Look at this little art shop here. Bronze lion. Do these look like Incas? Entry.
I don't see anything anywhere.
No. It's just little models of stuff. The Buddha under a tree. Do they have Bob Marley smoking
Oh,
brick
look at
leaves?
this.
Oh wow.
Look at this.
It's Ganesh. Is that the price? What is that? Dude, how many
it's
digits? is
numbers.
that? Probably the model number, huh? Look at this man, traditional Rajasthani guy with an arm for vlogging. Look at this. He can hold the camera. This guy. He could be like,
Yeah.
Check out this little scooter we're about to rent to ride around Jodhpur. It'll fit perfectly for me.